young explorers. My name is Priya Goswami, the co-author of your art exploration series by Shant Publishing. Today, we're going to make a pinhole camera from a materials kit. It looks simple, but it helps us understand how light creates an image without using any camera and lens at all. Let's get started. So what's inside the pinhole camera kit? We got one white sheet, one black sheet, two pre-cut rectangular mounts, and a butter paper sheet. We'll be using all these to create our very own pinhole camera. First, fold and create both the white and black sheets neatly into two boxes. Now use strong glue or tape to seal the boxes completely. Make sure the boxes lie tight. No cracks, no gaps. Cut and paste the butter paper onto the pre-cut hollow rectangular mount. Then paste this onto the black box. This becomes our screen. Paste the pinhole mount onto the white box and gently prick a tiny hole using a compass in the center. Remember, tiny hole, not a big one. Now, carefully insert the black box inside the white box. And there you go. Your pinhole camera is ready. Don't leave gaps or holes, as the light leaks might spoil the image. Take your time while folding and pasting. A well-made pinhole camera gives the best results. Now, let's go outside in bright sunlight and explore with our pinhole camera. Hold your pinhole camera steady and point it towards objects in bright sunlight, like buildings, trees, or the playground. Look carefully through the screen and observe what you see. Wait a second, why is the image upside down? Now here is the exciting science part. Light travels in straight lines, and when light hits a building or a tree, it bounces and carries its shape, size and color. This light then passes through the tiny pinhole. Rays from the top of the building or any tree travel straight and hit the bottom of the screen. Rays from the bottom travel straight and reach the top. And hence, the image appears upside down. Just like a pinhole camera, the image formed inside our eyes is also upside down. But our brain quickly flips it in the right way, and we see the world normally. Modern cameras do the same by digitally correcting the photo before we view it. Isn't that amazing? Your pinhole camera might be simple, but it shows the true magic of light and science in photography. No screens, no buttons, no batteries. Just light, patience, and curiosity. So keep observing, keep experimenting, and remember, every great photographer begins by understanding the light first.